Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to Lilian Lara's Healthy Plate, where we prepare healthy and delicious dishes. And right now, we will discover how a small mango beans became the great source of vitamins that's healthy for the body and best ingredient for great dishes and salad for everyone. Bean sprout is high in protein, high in iron, high in fiber, and is good to control the buildup of cholesterol in our body, and is very good for the heart. And also, I like the taste of mung bean sprout because it tastes like peanut and turnips, combination of turnips and peanut. That is the taste of bean sprout. So as you can see guys, from the bean sprout with that skin, it was already removed, and now I'm sorting the roots, separating the roots from the main stem, because I want to make my salad flawless, so I do not want the roots to be in it. But don't you worry guys, because I will not waste the roots. I am going to cook corned beef, and the roots will be added into it, and it will become one good recipe. It will be included in this video guys. So in this salad, I have prepared my own salad dressing. It is a combination of 1 regular size egg, 1/2 slice of lemon, and 1 cup of coconut oil. And also I placed 3-in-1 chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy seasoning, and salt and pepper. And instead of using fresh milk, I used canned milk. And also, of course, the raisins. And then just mix them all together. As you can see, it is very easy to prepare. This is good to be a side salad for any dish you like, or just eat it with your favorite cracker or bread. In making your salad dressing guys, just put everything, combine every ingredients that you have in your blender and blend it in, so that every aroma and taste of your spices and all the ingredients will combine, will be infused in that dressing, so that when you pour it into your salad, the taste will just go and combine with the bean sprout. If you find it that your bean sprouts are lengthy or very long for you, you can just decide to cut them off according to your desired length. And if you do not have the time to prepare for your own salad dressings, you can just decide to use your favorite salad dressings that you have in your kitchen. And I melted 1/2 cup of butter, and I pour it in so that it will become even more tastier because of the butter. Guys, I have just one tip for you. When you prepare your bean sprout salad, don't forget to wash off the impurities properly. You may use your running water in your sink, or you may also use water and sodium bicarbonate to rinse off every impurities. Remember, we will be eating this salad raw, so it is advisable that we will make our salad free from anything that may hurt our tummies. So wash and clean your bean sprouts properly. And guys, this is ready to eat now. Just look at our salad, very flawless and very tempting. And there it is guys, our delicious, healthy, and flawless, affordable salad ever. The Mung Bean Sprouts salad with Lillian's favorite homemade dressing. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you like our video today, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit like and share and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for our upcoming uploads. You are blessed guys. God bless you all.